So, I'm thinking of buying a new camera. Maybe a nice mirrorless one for my travels. The question is though, what lens do I buy? 14mm, 20mm, 35mm? I mean, what does a 20mm lens even look like on a mirrorless camera? I could do some simple math and figure out what the full frame equivalent is, but problem is I don't own a full frame camera, so I have no idea what that would look like. Now I've got Fallowfield. This simple app gives me an idea of what one lens on one camera will look like on another camera. And unlike most field of view calculators, it doesn't just compare it to full frame sensors. So that 20mm lens on my brand new camera, well, that comes out to 26mm on my crop sensor DSLR. I grab my current DSLR, zoom into 26mm, and now I know what that looks like. It even allows me to add lens adapters like speed boosters. With Fallowfield, there's no more guessing, no matter what camera, no matter what lens.